لا تجزعي
An Nar. Rasul tells us, you find this hadith in Sahih Muslim, you find it in Bukhari, you find it in almost all the books of hadith, 6 books, major books of hadith. A fire will come out. From where exactly we don't know, but it comes from towards the northern part of the world. And it will spread through the world. And the people of the world will run away from that fire because it will take over their homes and lands. It's no longer livable. Is it a meteorite that will hit the earth? Allahu A'lam. Only Allah knows exactly. The point is now, Rasul said, it will gather the people to their gathering, mahsharihim. Some scholars say this means that it will gather them to the place where they will be resurrected on a day of judgment. That's the place on earth. Some other scholars say, no, it will gather them together in a place, in one place, and that's where the world will end and they'll all die there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. But the point is, this fire will gather everyone. As it is moving, moves slowly and people are moving, then the first moments of the destruction of the world begins.